Okay, sir. Now we are at a place named Krishna Temple from your right side, my right side. And you check left side, sir. This is the Krishna Bazaar.
Okay, Krishna Bazaar.
Krishna Bazaar or food grain market. Food and grain it was. But last 40 years ago, public occupied. They are growing here banana plantation only.
Okay,
Recently, our archaeologists bought this land. They gave compensation to the agriculture. Sir.
okay.
So that now we start with excavation also. Excavation time our archaeologists found a real floor. And same time they found left side of us, Pushkarni is there. This is the one of the, we have totally 7 bazaar. This is one of the bazaars, sir. This is called Krishna Bazaar. And you check this. This is we call for Krishna temple. Krishna is the 8th incarnation of Vishnu. And Krishna Deva Raya, sir, he was an emperor. So he was captured at Orissa, sir. We have very big battle between Orissa and even Vijayanagara emperors. So that time Vijayanagara emperors captured at Orissa, sir. I mean Krishna Deva Raya. So that memory he was brought to Krishna idol and established this temple. But after the battle, Indians came here. Before it was in the Madras presidency. So that's why this took, his statue took and he was established, put in the museum. That's we called Egmore Museum, sir. Still there is a broken statue there.
Okay, in Egmore Museum.
Yeah, in Egmore Museum, sir. Welcome for it. This is all given for the archaeology, sir.
Okay.
For support of this temple.
Okay, restoration is in process.
Yeah. So on the first entrance, sir, you see here, you have a record. This is Sanskrit inscription, sir.
Okay, it is Sanskrit.
Yeah. And here also, Telugu is there.
It is Telugu, huh?
Yes, sir. And I told you, this is the Krishna temple. Okay. I mean Vishnu temple, sir. That's what we check with the left and right side. The guardian is there. We call them Jaya and Vijaya.
Okay.
After the guardians, we check this woman. We call them welcome girls.
Okay.
And we check each woman have a different hairstyle for that. And you see the eyebrows, earring, necklace, and bracelet. Yeah. But these women also stand on crocodile, sir. This is like a crocodile, right? That's what we call this woman named Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, like river names.
Okay.
So after this lady, sir, you see 10 incarnation of Vishnu is there. Vishnu ka Dashavatara. This is the first incarnation of Vishnu. We call it Matsya.
Okay.
This is the Matsya, sir. Fish. Then second is turtle.
Okay.
Third is the boar. Fourth one is the Narasimha. Before that we saw that, right? Lion face and human body.
Yes.
And fifth one is Vamana is there. Very short guy, or dwarf. And sixth one is the Parashurama because he holds for axe and bow. Then Rama, bow and arrow is there.
Okay.
Then Balarama is there.
Right.
Yeah. Then Krishna is there. See. Then Kalki.
Kalki.
This is the 10th incarnation of Vishnu.
Kalki is after.
We're waiting for 10th one.
Yes.
But very useful, sir. In the top to bottom, it is a single stone.
Oh.
On single stone, they carve very well, sir. See, very beautifully they carve. And Krishna Deva Raya, sir.
Okay.
When he was built this temple, he take a help from Portuguese engineers.
Portuguese engineers.
Portuguese engineers they built for this temple.
Okay.
Because a lot of Portuguese in Goa.
Yeah, right.
So Goa also belongs to Krishna Deva Raya, I mean Vijayanagara, sir.
Okay.
And sir, this is the first entrance. Okay. This is the, I told you, Krishna temple. And that's what, this is the vehicle of Vishnu. Garuda is there, eagle. They check the wings also, that's the Garuda, right?
Right.
And this was the oil lamp was here.
Okay.
So it's collapsed now. And again, that is we called Balipita or offering stone.
Okay.
Rice, coconut fruit, these things only. And sir, I told you King Krishna Deva Raya, he was captured at Orissa.
Okay.
How he was captured at Orissa? That is a battle carving on the wall. There is an old carving is there. There is a new painting is there, sir.
Okay.
Old carving and new painting. You see soldiers carving is there, right? Helmet, shield, sword,
right.
and all. There is an old one, sir. But now only our archaeologists gave the support for this one, sir. What is this called? A cup, horizontal and vertical supports.
Okay.
It's the iron thing. This is we call Mahadwara or entrance gate, sir. After this entrance, you see your left and right side, sir. You check around.
Ah.
Yeah, there is a row of the pillar is there, no? Because those days,
This one?
no hotels to stay.
Oh,
That's
yes.
why each temples we have like
There
this
was no
mandapa.
that time.
Yeah, no guest house, no hotels. That's why
Okay.
each temples we have like this pillar and the roof is there. That's we call for like a chatras, dharma chatras in our
Okay.
language, sir. Yeah. So this is for pilgrim and tourists who want to stay here only.
Okay.
And that's we call for kitchen, sir, in the corner.
This is kitchen.
Yes, that's kitchen.
Okay.
Because 3 times a day we have a puja here.
Okay.
So that time they cooked here. They give prasada to these pilgrims to eat.
Okay.
Huh? That's what this is called. And this is for those is water, for water storage, sir. And from here only we'll get, sir, very nice view for photos.
Yes.
And this is the, I already told you, Krishna temple. And you see on top, sir, like a wave shape is there, right?
Yes.
And that's protect for sunshade and the rainwater. And that's we called pagoda style
Okay. Pagoda
because
style.
Chinese influence. And there is a dragon carving is there, see there.
Yes, yes.
Yeah?
Because
The
of
dragon.
Chinese.
Yeah, because Chinese. Because this is very famous. That time, sir, Chinese, Portuguese, Arab, Mongolian, Persians, horse will come here only.
Okay.
I will show you horse market in near Vitala temple.
Okay.
So they bought and they kept in the army. And the last 40 years ago, sir, during of the restoration period, our archaeologists have rebuilt for all these things. Originally, we have a tower here. You check the towers. But this
Okay.
tower also collapsed by weather. Again, our archaeologists rebuilt for that. But now there is no deity, sir. Just we'll go inside. And just there is remaining only pedestal.
Okay.
And some birds also is there, like a bats. So the broken elephant, sir. Trunk will broken.
Every lord is there. Ganesha.
Yeah, because this is a Hindu temple.
Garuda.
Sir. First we have Ganesha some everywhere, but almost this is Vishnu temple. There's a Vishnu carvings is there. You can check everywhere. So this is the Kalinga Mardana is there. Yeah. And that side is there is a Rama is there.
Ah.
And here Hanuman is there. Just down. Same statue with crown. Sometimes it's Sugriva also.
Okay. Sugriv.
Sugriv. And where we came, that's we call entrance. Sir.
Okay.
This is the place name called a dancing hall.
Dancing hall. Okay.
Yeah, there's a praying hall is there, and Garbhagriha is there, and sanctum sanctorium. Now there is no statue.
Kodakal area photo. It is closed.
Yeah, so because there is no deities.
Deity.
There is no statue.
Okay.
There is no statue, sir. There is no deities. That's why they are now.
It is taken to that museum. Okay, that's why.
In Egmore Museum.
Okay.
But now empty is there. The new door, sir. And around of that we have a production also is there. Production, you know production.
Yes, yes.
So in production there is a bats is there.
Okay.
And look at on the ceilings also, sir. Like a lotus medallion is there on the ceilings. That's we call the lotus shape, right?
Yes, yes.
Around of that again swans are there.
Ah.
Yeah? Birds.
And they are playing dandiya, I think.
Yeah. Then again around of that women will dancing with sticks. Locally we call that polatam or dandiya.
Okay.
So this is the Krishna temple. Next to this, wife of Krishna, sir.
Okay.
Rukmini and Satyabhama temple was here, but it's empty now. Empty, there is no statue, nothing, sir.
It is destroyed or taken somewhere?
No, destroyed.
Okay.
The invaders, no?
So friends, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.